Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the best meringues that you have ever eaten. Now, of course, I know that this is purely subjective, but to me, what I call the best meringues is that it's a meringue that is stiff enough so that it doesn't break when you take it, but when you take a bite out of it, the inside is actually very soft and creamy. That's what gives the best texture, the best taste. So I'm going to show you how to do that. For this recipe, you will need 4 egg whites, and instead of using the usual 350 grams of sugar, the secret is to use only 250 grams. That's what will prevent the sugar from crystallizing inside the meringues, and it will remain soft inside. That's what we want. Now, this was fine sugar that I blended into powdered sugar. You're not forced to do that, but I like to use powdered sugar. Optionally, you can add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and also some food coloring. All right, so let us start by separating the whites from the yolks, and please don't put the yolks in the trash. I'm horrified when I see people wasting them. If you look in the description of this video, you will find a link where I show how to make Dutch Advocaat. It's an alcoholic drink that is made out of yolks. Okay, so please don't put them in the trash. All right. All right, so now we want to beat these whites, and I like to use my kitchenette for that. Now gradually add the sugar, maybe not everything at once. Now we may want to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And also maybe some food coloring. right, so make sure that you have beaten these eggs long enough. This is about the texture that you should end up with. Okay, you don't want it to be too liquid, so I think this is good. Okay. This also, this, I'm sure you want to lick it, but I shouldn't do that in front of the camera, so that will be for later. Now, you may want to put this in a pastry bag. I actually don't have any, so instead simply use a Ziploc bag to which I cut one of the corners. Alright, so now you want to take a baking sheet and put some parchment paper on it. Here I'm simply recycling one that I used 1 hour ago, so it's still good. No need to waste paper and change it. And well, okay, with your bag, just do the shapes that you like. Well, I'm not good at doing this, but the taste will be the same, okay? Just make sure you leave enough space between the meringues, because as they cook, they may spread out, as you can guess. Okay, so I found the trick in order to make them better. The trick is to keep this low enough so that it doesn't make filaments, and then at the end you can finish like this. Not bad. Alright, so this is going to go for 20 minutes in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after those 20 minutes, I will reduce the temperature to 210 degrees and let it cook for 1 hour more. And here is the result. So they are crusty on the outside and the inside is very soft. That's how they taste the best. Really good. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and register to my channel. Also, look in the description of this video. You will find a link where I show how to make Dutch advocaat that makes use of the yolks so that you don't waste them. Also, I would appreciate if you can share my video on your social network. Thanks for watching. The best meringues ever.